Okay, good day everyone. So, meron tayo ulit bagong pasyente. Ito ay Fender Champion 100. So, ito ay 100 watts amplifier, guitar amplifier, dual 12-inch na speaker. Okay, so ang problem niya ay, let's power on. Wala siyang power. Pero minsan nagkakaroon siya ng power. And then, all of a sudden, mawawala ulit. Ayan, meron. And then, unti-unti, nawawala. Okay? So, start. Okay, so let's troubleshoot and try nating i-repair. Okay? Let's go.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating.
Okay, so nabuksan na natin siya. So, yung kanyang 2 dual 12-inch speaker. Ito yung kanyang specs. Okay. Ito naman yung kanyang laman. Ito yung power supply section and main amp section. At ito yung kanyang preamp section. Okay. Okay, so tara troubleshoot natin. Okay, so inspect natin una itong main amp and power supply niya. Okay. Okay, so mag-check tayo ng mga resistor na baka may nagli-leak or capacitor. Check natin yung capacitor kung itong dalawang large filter capacitor. Check natin. Okay? Okay, so basic troubleshooting muna tayo. Set natin yung ating tester sa buzzer mode. Okay, check natin yung switch kung okay. Okay, so good. Next terminal. So wala siyang continuity. So sira yung switch niya. Pero bakit siya nagkaka-power? Okay. Siguro yung pag ino-on natin, nagkakaroon siya ng spark. So magko-continue yung daloy ng power, and then bigla siyang mawala sa contact. So kaya kanina nakita nyo unti-unting nag-dim yung ilaw. So try natin i-check tong switch. So, let's try to check this, and let's see kung ito lang yung naging sira niya. Okay.
The air. The pain I felt is paid for. All is said and done. Oh.
Okay, so ito yung kanyang naging sira. Yeah. Nawala siya sa hinang. Hindi maganda yung pagkakahinang niya. So, pag tinatag natin, so gagalaw siya, mag-move. So, papasok ngayon yung power, pupunta doon, and then mawawala ulit siya. So, nagiging intermittent yung kanyang power. Okay, so sana ito lang yung sira. So, ihinangin natin to, and then magte-test ulit tayo. Okay. Okay, so habang pinapainit yung ating soldering iron, i-secure muna natin tong board. Hopefully yun lang ang kanyang naging sira. Kung mapapansin nyo, ito ay bagong bago pa. So let's see if yun lang yung kanyang naging sira. Okay.
I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Yung bagay niya. Bagay niya. Wala na.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life.
Okay, so testing tayo. Good. Good. Okay, so walang short. And okay na yung kanyang contact. Okay, so assemble natin. Hopefully gumana na siya ng maayos.
I want to take it all, standing tall. Fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it in a sense, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Okay, so yun ang position muna natin para ma-test natin bago natin siya i-assemble sa kanyang case. So let's go. Bigyan natin ng power. Okay, so let's power on. Okay, so kung makikita nyo may power na siya. Ilagay naman natin ngayon ng guitar sa input. Okay, so tingnan natin kung tutunog siya. Okay, so okay na yung kanyang power. May input na, gumagana na yung audio. So i-assemble na natin, then final check tayo. Okay? Okay, so final check. Ititest na natin siya na naka-assemble na yung ating unit. So let's go. Power on. Okay, so power na siya. Okay, so okay na yung ating unit. I-inform na ulit natin si client na okay na kanyang unit para makuha niya na. Okay, so thank you for watching and sana sa ulit.